What's going on, Postcard Marketing Pros? Today we're doing a postcard teardown of Casper's postcard. It's a pretty good one. Today's postcard teardown is sponsored by Palm. You may be looking at this weird because of the camera reflection. Palm, making products that you don't remember, but they were kind of the first smartphones. Let's dive in. All right, Casper Sleep Shop. Perfect. What a very simple headline. It says exactly what it is, who they are, and what they do. And I love these three benefits. No pressure, right? Commission free. You bought a mattress before, you know it's terrible, right? So they're exactly telling you this is not the experience that you're used to. Plenty of privacy. So that's nice, right? You don't have to have a guy that's like hovering over you. Hey, like, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? 100-night trial. So perfect. You know that this is a huge problem when you buy mattresses. I really love these three benefits. It's very clear. I kind of also like that they have a little permit here that says that they make they use recycled paper. That's nice. Okay, so I also love the offer on the right-hand side. So they say take it home today, which is good, right? Usually it's like, it's going to take 4 weeks. So if you need a bed now, you can count on Casper. I also like how they've got an offer. They have a clear expiration date here. I might have made the expiration date bigger and more prominent. Like, hurry, expires this time. But overall, this is an A+ postcard. I can't really find much to ding here. Let's look at at least this side. Let's look at the front. The back. Sorry, the back. I always get this confused. So Casper, I really hate when organizations make their brand the biggest thing. Casper is a little different because people know it and they've spent a bunch of money on branding, but I guess I would have liked to have seen a better picture of the store here that's not just, hey, here's our brand name. They're clearly talking about the store, the most comfortable mattress now at the store to match. I like this headline because it reminds you who they are. We sell mattresses. And then it reminds you about what the hell this postcard's about with a store to match. So it's really simple. People try to get way too clever with the headlines. And I think a really simple, clear headline is just the way to go. Save $200 and try the mattress at our newest sleep shop located at Union Street in San Francisco. They inkjetted this, which means that they save some money here. I think I would have liked to have seen a map or some location to say, hey, it's just 0.2 miles from you. They may not have been able to do that. But overall, actually, one of the things that I would have liked to have seen is had the offer be a little bit clearer and a little bolder. It says see reverse side for details. I think this is just kind of a weak design of the offer. So overall, actually pretty happy with this postcard. I think it probably performed pretty well. The offer should be a little bit clearer, and there should be a clear expiration date here. But this is an A- postcard, and you would do well to copy it. Congratulations for learning a little bit more about postcard design.